Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to add a plant on a PlantConnect server. So for this, let's quickly log in into PlantConnect server using admin credentials. So once you have logged in into a PlantConnect server, you can click on admin, site admin tool, then select plant and say add plant. So this opens the PlantConnect server's plant addition page. So on this page you need to give the details of your plant, like what's the plant name, what's the customer, and then etc, its address, city and country. So let's quickly add these details. So my plant name is demo oracle plant. The short name is DOP. Then the customer is Oracle. Then select the time zone. Then in address, add the address as Pune. Pune Kothur. Then in city, add Pune. The PIN number is not the mandatory field, so you can skip it. Then give the country as India. Then add the state as Maharashtra, the district as Pune, then you can skip the longitude and latitude field as these are not the mandatory fields. If you have those values, then enter those values. So in my case, I'll configure contact person 1 as myself, Tanmay. Mobile number as this is the dummy mobile number. Then the email address as X5. Then after adding your details, you click on save. So in this way the plant will be added. So now we can quickly add the site also. So for that, click on the home button, select plant, say under this site option, say add site. So give this site name as demo oracle site. You can give the description for the site. Then you need to select the plant which we have added in this video. So the plant which we have added is demo oracle plant. URL. So this is the URL and password which you need to configure in the PLS config file of Artidas. So using these credentials, the Artidas gets connected to this particular site, and this particular site then can have multiple devices. So the username and password in this field are, so let's keep them as quite simple as demo. then add the disconnect delay time as 10,000, upload frequency in minute as 10, so keep the data upload flag as S, then local storage flag as no, as you do not want to store all the data in the file format in your local system. If you wish to have the data in the file format, you can just say yes over here. So in my case, as I do not want to store all the data in the files, I'll keep it as no. So encryption, so whatever the data you have to write in the file, that data is encrypted, that data is in encrypted format, so I'll keep it as no. Then the edge gateway, so in our case the edge gateway is the PlantConnect RTBus, which will fetch the data from all the real-time machines and send the data to this PlantConnect server. Then deployment type is server and edge gateway on the same machine. Then you have multiple options in this deployment type list, like server inland, server on internet and RTBus on GPRS. So you can select one of these deployment type. So in my case, as I have the DAS and the server on the local machine, I'll keep it as server and edge gateway on the same machine. So I do not need any proxy settings, and the scaling factor is to be done by RTBus. Okay, click on save, and in this way you will see that the site has been added successfully. Thank you.